welcome back to the channel. Amanda Ray here with Bradley and Corey. We are back with the Evo 8, unfortunately with some bad news. So we were doing some tuning on the Evo 8 and I think we were on like the 13th or 14th log and it just shut down. Probably, I think you said you were in 4th when it shut down. And what happened was the ground strap on the spark plug completely broke off. So we are right now about to pull the head and we're going to do a leak down test on...
We'll actually do this one because it's the same cylinder. Or not same cylinder, but...
the cylinders now.
Same firing order? Yeah.
And see
so this one will come up the same time.
What that turns out. Hopefully nothing too serious is damaged. Evo is up and running for a full 48 hours before it is officially back down. That is the Evo life.
Evo life. The life of the Evo.
The life of the Evo.
The Mitsu
And we got a small oil leak that we have to figure out where that is coming from.
The life of the Mitsubaru.
Mid-Subaru.
Yeah, Mitsubaru, that's what I mean.
It's not the Mid-Subaru anymore. We took the sticker off.
So basically you get pressure from an air compressor and you get about 15 pounds or so, and what you want to do is set this to 0. This gauge is kind of finicky, so it's not quite 0, but essentially once we hook this up to the cylinder, it's that top dead center, so all the valves and the pistons at the top, it'll pressurize, and anything between, basically most of the time it's going to be about 25 is pretty average or good. Anything that's in yellow or red obviously means that it fails.
Heard. No
So this is cylinder 2. So we need to we'll go back and forth to see if there's any leaks going on.
It automatically went red.
But it might not be sealed, so this is why you kind of move the cylinder up. Is there any other spot to hear crank ventilation?
Just open that. Pull.
So you'd hear it come through. The one thing that sucks about this is why I do it 2 ways. Is I do it to where it's set to 0 and you see where it actually lies in here, but also then we relieve the pressure regulator and just pump a bunch of air in it, and then it'll become super obvious which side it's on, which of the 3, if it's going past the piston and the crankcase, or it's in the exhaust, or it's in the intake side. So that tells us the header at the block.
Will we be able to feel the air?
Yeah, you can hear it on the exhaust.
Yeah.
Down the intake. You can mess with that up and down to see where it closes.
Holy cow, it just pushed it all the way down.
Wow. Coming like that, like a motherfucker.
I can't even push it, dude.
Okay, that's TDC, right?
Give it a take.
Yeah, the exhaust valves are torn up on that.
Yeah?
So you'll get the best results from this when the motor's warm, because everything's expanded and it's at
Yoshi, come here.
temperature.
Hold on.
Okay, you're still at 80%. Now I'm going to do the other one where I just...
Yeah, you hear that way more than everything else.
Yeah. So that one's not as bad, but this is super bad.
Close that handle. You feel it all back there, don't you?
So you got major.
Move your hand. All I hear is everybody else. Alright guys, so we took off the manifold that we just put back on. Now we are going to be taking off all the catch can stuff we put on. We got to take off the timing belt. We have to take off everything just so we can get the head off to see the damage from that leak test that we did. That really doesn't give us much other than confusion because we're not even sure if we did it right.
They were rockers fucked up.
Moment of truth and whether or not you did damage to your Evo 2 days after finishing it. How does it make you feel?
2 days. Man.
Not even 2 days. More like 24 hours.
It's alright.
It's alright. Go. Oh my god.
Got a little damage to that.
Yeah, just a little bit. Is it pitted? Oh yeah.
Yeah, that piston's coming out. Oh man. It's not that bad though. One of these are bad.
100% bent. Guaranteed.
So I just changed 2 valves, or 4 valves. If I want to reuse this head, and then I get this flattened out so I don't have any high spots.
Damn, bro. So as you guys can see here, this cylinder is where it decided to say no. So this piston is done for, and I don't think it really shows it in the video.
No, it does. You can see it.
You can see it. So right
It's a
here,
divot.
this black is a straight divot. It is insane. Let's see if I can get a better angle. So this is caused by the spark plug ground strap not wanting to. I'm not really sure how this happened from it being too lean. Still trying to figure this out. Hopefully we can figure this out, but in the meantime we do have another head. We gotta get a new piston, at least one for sure. We might end up buying all 4 new pistons, and then we'll get the Evo back up and running. It was
17th time in 1 year.
yeah, for the 17th time in 1 year. I think it was up and running for a total of
I mean, it ran Saturday,
it ran all day Saturday,
and then throughout
Friday,
the week.
technically. I mean, yeah, if you're gonna count the week, yeah.
The week that I didn't drive it.
Yeah, the week you didn't drive it.
And then,
So
it was running for probably
2 weeks?
150 miles maybe.
150? 150 miles. That's not bad.
It's alright. Change the oil pan.
Yeah, we need a new oil pan for sure. Maybe a new timing belt. A few other things. We've got the JDM bumper coming soon. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to get this Evo back up and running yet again. You know, if you have an Evo, you know it's the Evo life. So, you know the struggle. So stay tuned for the next video. We'll see you guys soon.